you're feeling scared. I know you're feeling highly unprepared. I know that you are having second thoughts. But darling, please remember that I'm always here to help you overcome your each and every fear. Remember, I was once as scared as you. So if it's getting more than you can stand, come on over and hold my hand. Then be brave and take a breath and just do whatever I would do. There'll come a time when I'm no longer near, but you don't need to worry, dear. As you grow up, you will come to see that you're a part of me, and I am part of you. Just do what you